oh wow, this is actually artificial. I think it looks good, or does it look very good, or very good? Or would we have to say the manufacturer or the person who has crafted this is a good crafter? No. Why not use a different word rather than good? Why not say that this plant looks marvelously good, or why not say the person who has crafted this is incredible? Please watch our video to know the different phrases what you can use to substitute good. Hello dear YouTube viewers, welcome back to our channel. So today again a new topic. See, we all must have come across the word good. We must have been appreciated by our parents, our teachers, our loved ones as well must have appreciated us by saying good, or by saying very good, or by saying even very good. And we always come across this word every now and then. The car looks good, the atmosphere looks good, the ambience looks good, or the scenery looks good. Why not try replacing? Why not use something new? So this video will be helping you to replace good with a better substitution. We come across this sentence at times. If I give you an example of a sentence, the sentence goes something like this. Marlon Brando is a good actor. So why do you have to say good? Why not replace? That is a better substitute. You can go like this. Marlon Brando is a marvelous actor. Marvelous. You have replaced good into marvelous. Okay, it is not marvelous, it is marvelous. R is silent. Or, for example, this perfume gives a good fragrance. So why do you have to go for good again? Good fragrance. Again, you can go for the same word, or you can substitute it with a different word called as marvelous. You can just say, this perfume has got a marvelous fragrance. Okay. Now a second example. I had a good time with you. Again, you could have replaced good. You could just go like this. I had a valuable time with you. This shows that you really value that person. So, valuable time better suits this particular phrase. Now the next example, alright, he has got a good designing capability. Why good again? You can just use a different word. He has got an exceptional designing capability. That sounds better than the word good, alright? It sounds more appreciating. And if I give you another example, okay, your balcony has a good view of the sceneries. So why again good? You can say it like this. Your balcony has got a splendid view to the sceneries. So this sounds more pleasing to the listeners. So try using different words. These are the few substitutes of the word good, which is normally used in our daily life. Okay, why not change English to a new direction? We all can change our language in order to perform better in this competitive world, and in order to create an enthusiasm towards our listeners. Next, I'll be coming back with a new topic. Till then, please take care of yourself, and I wish you all the very best. Take care.